Hello friends, welcome to this video. This is Gopal Electronic makes single phase transformer transducer. In this video, I will show you that how does it work. You can see that here we have provided three buttons for three different mode of testing: fast mode, accurate mode and LVCT mode. In fast mode, it gives quick result within 2 to 3 seconds at low accuracy. In accurate mode, it applies all mathematical filters and gives result at standard accuracy. LVCT is for when you want to check short winding or to test CT. The display shows all parameters of testing, and this is ST and LT lead connectors. The working principle of this equipment is it applies 36 volt from ST side and measure breakthrough voltage from LT side. And this equipment is equipped with 250 milliampere source. Along with meter, we have provided ST and LT leads. Each one is 5 meter long. This is three-phase transformer whose transducer will be measured by our equipment. You can see that the ST and LT side of the transformer. After doing connection, we will perform the testing procedure. I have done all connections. You can see that I have connected ST leads on ST side of transformer and LT leads on LT side of transformer. First, we will measure the turn ratio of R phase. Therefore, I have connected leads on R phase and another lead is connected on neutral. Now we will turn on the meter. First meter will show its serial number and then it will be ready. Meter is ready. I will press buttons one by one to show the different mode of testing. To measure turn ratio of R phase in fast mode, press fast button. Turn ratio is 2.8527, voltage is 12.703 and current is 0.19 ampere. Now we will press accurate button. In accurate mode, as I said, it applies all mathematical filters and then it gives result. The ratio is 2.8541, voltage is 12.701 and current is 0.016. This equipment can measure ratio up to 1 jam 1200 and LVCT is used to test short wiring or to test CT, so I am not performing that. Same way, we will measure the turn ratio of Y phase. For that, change this lead from R terminal to Y terminal. We will see fast mode. Press fast button. Now it is showing turn ratio of Y phase in fast mode. Same way, in accurate mode, it applies all mathematical filters and gives result. Press accurate button. Now it is showing turn ratio of Y phase in accurate mode. Same way, we can measure the turn ratio of B phase in both mode. We have provided wrong ST-LT detection and it has inbuilt overcurrent protection for short winding. Thanks for watching video friends.